What's up, everybody? I'm Danny DeVries with DiabloSport, and this is SEMA 2018. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, Danny DeVries here with DiabloSport at SEMA 2018, and this is probably one of my favorite, most exciting products to talk about. This is a Pulsar. Matt, tell me, what kind of features can people expect from this shift-on-the-fly tuning Pulsar?
Well, honestly, it's probably the most innovative product that we've created in a long time, or that the industry has seen. You know, where we tie directly into the PCM with this product, it really gives us full access to anything we want to adjust. Plus, we use the factory steering wheel controls and cluster to make our changes. So for the Pulsar, you plug it into your PCM on like a 15 to 19 Hemi 5.7, like a Ram 1500. And you can actually control your tire size, you can set gear ratio, a lot of cool features, and adjust your power levels right with your steering wheel controls on the factory cluster. It's perfectly integrated with the factory systems. And that really makes it stand out in this industry for sure.
That's awesome. So this is available for 15 to 19 Ram right now?
Correct. We support the Ram 5.7. We've got some 6.4 support coming here very soon. And actually keep an eye out, because we'll have some JK and JL Jeep stuff coming here soon, as well as some diesel support we've got working on.
Yeah, so this Pulsar is by far one of the most capable advanced tuning devices on the market today, exclusively here. Check them out. Go to DiabloSport.com.